There is not much left of a local business in Statesville this morning after a fire. It happened at Crazy Dave's Discount Variety Store. The owner of the business tells Fox 46 he can't believe this happened. The fire got so hot, flames burst through the building, causing a power line to fall on one of the fire trucks. Witnesses in the area described what they saw.
You can see the smoke coming all the way from 70, like at the bridge. You could just see it, and it's a lot of smoke. It was very hot, like you could feel the heat.
No injuries were reported. Investigators are still working to figure out how that fire started.